Am I the only one that didn't know birds could be this magical? Wait till you hear number 1. Let's go. Number 10, the Atlantic puffin, clown beak, serious vibes. Number 9, flamingo, nature's pink statement piece. Number 8, blue jay, loud, clever, and totally unforgettable. Number 7, resplendent quetzal, walking rainbow of the rainforest. Number 6, emperor penguin, royal endurance on ice. Number 5, albatross, master of endless oceans. Number 4, harpy eagle, jungle heavyweight with drama. Number 3, hummingbird, tiny heart, turbo wings. Number 2, peacock, tail that stops conversations. Number 1, bald eagle, iconic, fierce, and unforgettable. Which one surprised you most? Tell me below.